You're probably doing travel charging the hard way. I have a charger for my iPhone, my AirPods, and also my Apple Watch. But what if I said you could replace all three of these for just this? Well, you can't. This is the KUXIU K1 Ultra. It charges your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time, and it actually doubles as a kickstand while you're charging, just in case you need it. KUXIU sent this out to me, but this is not a paid video. They only sent it for me for review, and I do get to keep it. But as always, I'll give you guys my honest opinions, and I'll tell you whether it's worth your money or not. If you do decide to get one, all the links will be in the description below, as it does support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get started. So what is this? It's basically a power bank. I never thought I'll review a power bank, but this is just one of those things that makes sense. So this is basically a 3-in-1 power bank, allowing you to charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and also your Apple Watch. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it's built for a clean travel setup. So you basically don't have to carry those 3 separate cables anymore. You could just carry this, and you just literally just open it up, and there you go. You now have a charger for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods as well. When you first open the box, it comes with the instruction manuals, the cable, and the power bank itself. Pretty straightforward. I have the black version right here, but it also comes with the orange version to match your new iPhone 17 Pro if you have that. Now the build quality of this is actually surprisingly pretty premium. It's made out of aluminum, and it also has explosion-proof film, which is reassuring, especially the fact that this charges 3 very power-hungry devices at the same time. I guess it's a little bit of comfort to know that it's explosion-proof. When it comes to compatibility, it's pretty solid. As long as you have an iPhone 12 and greater, you should be okay to use this, and it also works with some Android phones. And of course, it works with the Apple Watch and also AirPods as well. Now, something to keep in mind, it does not work with the iPhone 16e, but with everything else, it should work. Specs-wise, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, pushing up to 25 watts for the phone, 5 watts for the watch, and 5 watts for the AirPods. It does weigh about 256.5 grams, about half a pound, and it basically fits really nice in your travel bag. According to KUXIU, with the latest iPhone, this could charge up to 50% in just 27 minutes. And that's actually pretty quick considering that it's coming out of something like this. Now, the time I've spent with this, I gotta admit that this is actually really useful. I guess that's why I'm reviewing this. This is one of those products that becomes more useful the longer you own an iPhone. As your iPhone gets older, you get battery degradation, so your charge does not hold well enough. And that's kind of what I'm going through even with an iPhone 16. Before the end of the day, it's already trying to die. So this has been pretty handy. Whenever my phone is getting low, I don't have to worry about basically finding my cable. I could just whip this out and it starts charging. The nice thing is, if my watch is dying or if my AirPods are dying, I could also put it on here. I also think this makes a really nice desk accessory. So if you don't want to be running like a long cable while at your desk, you can actually just put your phone on this, literally on the desk, and it'll start charging. When it comes to the price, this is $100, but at the time of recording this is on sale for $80. And this is one of those things where even if it was $100 at its regular price, I would still buy it just because of how useful it is, and knowing that I don't have to carry a bunch of cables. It makes it really clean whenever you're packing to just fit into your bag and not worry about cables flying everywhere. Now, although the K1 Ultra has been really nice, there are some things I don't like about them after spending some time with it. Now, the top part is a bulky attachment and it's not removable. I do wish it was removable just to make it a little more slimmer. Even though I know it's 2 pieces now, if this was removable, I think it still would have worked out, because say if I finally wanted to charge my AirPods or my Apple Watch, I could just magnetically maybe put it on here, and all of a sudden it's a 3-in-1 charger. But it would have been nice if I could just remove this and just have it as its own charger whenever I needed it. Before I let you know whether this is worth it or not, if this video has helped you so far, please hit that like button and subscribe, as it does help the channel. So is this worth it? If you travel a lot, or you just want a cleaner everyday carry and you're tired of bringing extra multiple chargers, or sometimes you forget them like I do, then this actually does solve a real problem. The K1 Ultra is that type of product you buy for convenience and a clean setup and just less clutter overall. If you want a premium 3-in-1 charger that handles your iPhone charging, your watch charging, and AirPods charging all in one setup, then yeah, it is 100% worth it. And don't forget, it also charges Android devices if you ever needed it. Ever since I've had it, honestly, it's made my life easier, not worrying about whether I brought enough cables for my charging needs. Now I just gotta bring this one thing and I know I'll be good. And like I said earlier, this also makes a really nice desk accessory. Just put your phone on top of it and you're good to go. I do think you should watch this next video right here. It's gonna be another accessory that I think you're gonna like to add to your everyday carry or your travel setup. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.